Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step setup of the Netgear EX6110 Wi-Fi range extender using the Nighthawk app. Requirements before setup: a working Wi-Fi router with internet access, mobile device, iOS or Android, with the Nighthawk app installed, the EX6110 plugged into a power outlet near your router. Ensure your phone is connected to the router's Wi-Fi network. Step 1. Plug in the extender. Wait for the power LED on EX6110 to turn solid green. Step 2. Connect to EX6110 network. On your mobile device, go to Wi-Fi settings and connect to the extender's default network, Netgear_EX. Step 3. Open the Nighthawk app. Launch the Nighthawk app on your phone or tablet. Step 4. Log in to Netgear account. If you don't have an account, you'll be prompted to create one. Step 5. Start the setup wizard. Tap on Set up a new device. Select Range Extender from the device list. Step 6. Follow on-screen instructions. The app will guide you through connecting the extender to your existing Wi-Fi network, choosing the network you want to extend, creating extended network names, SSID. Step 7. Placement tips. Once setup is complete, unplug and relocate the extender halfway between your router and weak Wi-Fi area. Step 8. Reconnect your devices. Connect your devices to the new extended network, usually ends in _ext. Additional tips. Keep the firmware up to date via the app for better performance. Avoid placing the extender near thick walls, microwaves, or metal objects. For instant help, call 1-800-915-5645.